So after multiplying terms, the next step, of course, has to be dividing terms. So when we're dividing terms, it's actually pretty simple. Same as multiplication, I guess. These ones are rather simple. The idea is that the numbers we multiply as per normal, okay? And then if there's any letters that appear on the top and the bottom, they can cancel each other out. So yet again, let's have a look at some examples. So for example 1, I'm going to do 12a over 4a. Alright, so 12 over 4, we know that 12 over 4 divides to give 3. And then the a's, because there's an a on the top line and the bottom line, they actually just cancel each other out. So the a's completely disappear. In this case, our answer would actually be 3. Alright, if things get a little bit tougher, so let's look at one a little bit tougher. 24 over 20, and then I'm going to have A, B, and AC. So 24AB over 20AC. Alright, so 24 and 20. Now if I divide both of these by 4, this is going to cancel down to 6, and this is going to cancel down to 5. Remember when we simplified fractions back in year 7? And then of course the A and the A are going to cancel out, but the B and the C can't cancel out because they're completely different letters. So our answer that we get to, we still have a bottom line of the fraction, 6 over 5, and then there's B and C, so 6B over 5C. Okay, that one's still pretty straightforward. What about if we involve squareds? So what about if I have 12a over 4a squared? Now the thing to remember here is that the a squared is essentially AA, alright? So in this case, 12 and 4 is going to cancel out to 3, alright? And this a is going to cancel out with one of the a's in a squared, and there's still going to be an a left over. So you'll notice that the a left over is still on the bottom line. So our answer is not 3a, alright? Because the a is on the bottom line, it has to stay on the bottom line. So it's 3 over a. Remember for these, your answer here is not 3a. Completely wrong. That will be marked as wrong. If the leftover letter is on the bottom line, it has to stay on the bottom line, okay? So 3 over a is our answer.